So now what we're going to look at is how it looks in a four stimulus set. So we have RBYW with red, blue, yellow, white that we constructed earlier. If you'll notice, now that there's four, it starts to wrap onto the next line. But they're numbered in a left to right numbering system. So this presentation would be all in one row and would be blue, yellow, red, white, with white on the right hand side instead of on the second line. So for this trial, we're just going to record this as an independent probe, and we'll mark that the child selected white and score the trial. Now with this presentation, let's assume that the student selected white instead of blue. And when we score that trial, the prompt in the orange box on the lower left updated to gestural prompt, which is the next prompt in the prompt schedule. So we'll mark that as a correct selection and score the trial. This trial is for yellow. So let's assume that the student selected blue, and we'll score that. And the second time, they selected white, and we'll score that. As you can see, each time, the prompt in the lower left-hand corner updated, and it's now at partial physical. So we'll select that the student with a partial physical prompt selected yellow and score the trial. Now, for the red trial, if you go through your process and don't mark the incorrect selections, you can always select the orange box and pick the prompt that was required. So for red, let's assume they required a partial physical prompt, select the red, and score the trial.